Hi, this is Simon Bell. I am here to share with you a few things to do with strategy. Why am I talking about strategy? Because strategy is the most important aspect of running your business or your organization or your economy. It is very common that when we look at the performance and the results of a business, of an organization or an economy, we talk much about the environment, and we tend to attribute the performance and results entirely to the environment. Yes, the environment affects results, but the ultimate factor that determines the kind of results and the performance that we produce is not the results, is not the environment, but it's actually strategy. Unfortunately, when we talk about strategy, especially some of us who have done MBA, or even some who have done degrees in strategic management, our concept of what is strategy is often not complete, and also is often limited to the views and perceptions of those people that we follow, those who have written the text that we use in our studies. So I see this as a very big mistake, and also the reason why in most organizations, strategy is a very elusive concept, and this reason why, as research shows across the world, that most of the organizations, in their attempt to come up with strategies and strategic plans, they don't come up with anything like a real strategic plan. They come up with basic operational plans. Or if they come up with the strategies, they come up with partial strategies, which are not complete. And that is the reason why most of these strategies or strategic plans, they become very difficult to implement. If you are a leader, you know what I'm talking about. The traditional strategic planning sessions, 3 days, 2 days, 1.5 day that we do off campus at some resort, often does not come up with a real strategy, but something else that sounds like strategy, but it's not a real strategy. And this is the reason why these things won't be implemented. They will be very difficult to implement, and you really can't trace the performance and the results of the organization and link them to the strategic plan, because the concept of strategic planning that we use in most organizations is flawed, and also it is sometimes partial. It is not complete. It's bounded by the theory of strategy that we have, which is not a complete theory of strategy. So I've been involved many years myself, facilitating strategic planning sessions and also advising leaders and especially entrepreneurs on strategy. And so I know what I'm talking about, and especially when you also look at how my colleagues, they facilitate the strategic planning sessions. The most common ways that they use is the tendency to rely too much on templates and frameworks and matrices like the SWOT analysis, PESO, ANSOF matrix, BCG matrix, the balance scorecard, Tempest, and all other templates. So most of the strategic planning efforts is spent filling those tables or discussing those tables, and without any depth and without any real link to the fundamentals of what the organization wants to achieve. And also, I've realized that in many organizations, if you take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members of the same team, executive team, if you ask them to define strategy, each one will come up with a very different concept of what strategy is. Or if they come up with similar concepts, there is a marked difference between what one perceives as strategy and the other perceives as strategy. So already this is a very serious problem. that undermines the capacity of most organizations to utilize the power, the full power of strategy, strategic thinking, strategic planning, and execution around the strategy. There's also a lot of things that most people ignore when they talk about strategy in organizations. It's the concept of developing a common understanding and a common theory of what strategy is throughout the organization. So I have done research myself. I've read a lot of books on strategy, listened to so many gurus, so many experts and practitioners of strategy and strategic planning and strategic thinking. And there's a common thread that it is very important that organizations start changing the way they think strategy and the way they do strategy and the way they operate strategy in organizations. And that change must start with developing a common understanding of strategy among the top teams. And actually to come up with a correct, complete, and accurate understanding or theory of strategy, so that when you apply your strategy, you are actually talking about real strategy. And when you say you are formulating a strategy, you are actually formulating a real strategy and not just a basic operational plan. And also some of the things that we call strategies are not strategies. Some of them are basic ideas or solving problems, ideas about how to do something, and then we call them strategies. So I've got a program that I'm running for top teams and entrepreneurs and CEOs and business leaders and economic leaders who want to improve their theory of strategy so that they can actually also improve the performance of their strategies and also improve their own performance in terms of formulating strategies so that they get real results from strategy. Because for leaders, there's nothing that is more important to pay attention to than strategy. If you are not interested in strategy and you're in a position of leadership, then there's a very serious problem. And unfortunately, I may have to say that you may not even deserve to have the position of being a leader, especially if you are leading an organization or you are leading a business or you are leading an economy. Maybe political leadership, you can get away with it. But when you're looking at the economy, you're looking at business organization, you cannot then say, I'm not interested in strategy. So I've got this course or program, which I can run with you so that you actually develop a deeper understanding of strategy. You understand why strategy is important and what is real strategy, what is it different, how is it different from fake strategy, and also to separate between what is good strategy and bad strategy. So if you want this course, you can contact me on +26377 444 7438 +26377 444 7438. My name is Simon Bell. Thank you. Bye-bye.